In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Data Studio account and open Google Data Studio. If you're looking to visualize your data in an interactive and accessible way, starting with Google Data Studio is a fantastic choice. It's a free and powerful tool that allows you to connect your data sources and create insightful reports. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to lookastudio.google.com. Once there, you'll notice the homepage providing an overview of what Google Data Studio can offer. Now, don't be overwhelmed if this is your first time here. We'll walk through the process together. On the homepage, you'll see a button that says Use it for free. Click on this and you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials to access Data Studio. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one, which you can do by following the on-screen instructions. Remember, using a consistent Google account that you frequently use for work or personal projects will help you manage and access your reports more efficiently. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Looker Studio home dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to create new reports or dashboards effortlessly. Here you'll also see options to connect different data sources or explore templates, but we'll get to those shortly. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll want to create a new report or dashboard. You'll find a prominent button that allows you to start a new project. Click on it and you're presented with a blank canvas where you can begin designing your report. The intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy to add and arrange data elements as you see fit. An essential feature of Google Data Studio is its ability to connect with various data sources. You can link your reports to Google Sheets, Google Analytics, BigQuery, and more. This connectivity enables you to draw real-time data, making your reports dynamic and up-to-date. To connect a data source, simply choose from the available options and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. If you're looking to accelerate the report creation process, Google Data Studio offers a variety of templates. Exploring these can give you a head start in building comprehensive reports without diving into every detail from scratch. Templates are especially great for beginners who may not yet be familiar with the full range of design capabilities. With these steps, you've successfully set up your Google Data Studio account and you're well on your way to creating informative and impactful data visualizations. With each project, you'll gain more familiarity and confidence in using this powerful tool. Happy data exploring!